In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Facebook ads that not only capture attention, but turn viewers into engaged audience members. Creating a powerful Facebook ad video can seem like a daunting task at first, but by following the steps I'm about to share, you'll find it simpler than you might think. Let's dive in and start by making your brand stand out on one of the world's most popular social platforms. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Facebook Business Manager. This is where all the magic happens, where you're able to manage your ad campaigns in a highly organized and efficient manner. Once you've reached the Business Manager homepage, you'll be prompted to log in with your Facebook account, choose the account you're managing the ads for, and proceed. This streamlined process ensures that you're always in the right place for your marketing needs. After logging in, look for the Ads section located on the lower left panel of the dashboard. This hub is where you'll find an array of options and tools tailored to improve and streamline your ad creation process. Within this section, click on Ads Manager to proceed. In Ads Manager, your journey to creating an effective ad campaign begins. Here, click on the Campaigns tab. This area is designed to give you a comprehensive view of your current and past campaigns, making it easier to manage and analyze your advertising efforts. Once there, you'll see an option to create a new campaign. Click on this to start crafting your new ad campaign from scratch. Upon clicking create, you'll be given several campaign objectives to choose from. For our purpose, select engagement as your campaign objective. This objective is perfect for videos, as it's designed to captivate audiences and encourage interaction, whether it's likes, comments, or shares. After selecting engagement as your campaign objective, you'll see a continue button appear. Click on it to proceed to the next step of your campaign setup, embracing every opportunity to refine and target your campaign for the best possible engagement rates. As you continue, you'll find yourself in the setup phase of your ad set and ad. In each screen, you'll be prompted to click Next after you've made your selections and customized your settings. This progressive approach allows you to fine-tune details such as your target audience, budget, and scheduling, ensuring your ad reaches the right people at the right time and with the right message. With your campaign and ad set preferences saved, it's time to focus on the creative aspect of your ad, which is in this case the video. Click on Ad Creative to begin crafting the visual and messaging elements of your ad. Here, your creativity can truly shine through. Whether you're aiming to inspire, educate, or entertain your audience, this is your canvas. Within the Ad Creative section, you'll see an option to set up creative. This is where you'll choose the format of your ad. Since we're focusing on video ads, select Video Ad to proceed. Videos are a fantastic way to engage your audience, offering dynamic content that can effectively convey your message and capture interest. Having selected the video ad format, you're now ready to upload your video. This is arguably the most crucial step, as the video itself is the centerpiece of your ad campaign. Choose a video that best represents your message and is likely to engage your target audience. Once uploaded, you can preview your ad to ensure everything looks and sounds exactly as you planned. Lastly, after ensuring your video ad looks perfect and aligns with your campaign goals, click on Next to proceed to the final review stage. This last step is crucial as it allows you to double check all the details of your campaign, ensuring everything is in order before you launch your ad into the world. When you're satisfied that all elements of your campaign are correct and ready, the final action is to publish your ad. This moment is pivotal as it marks the beginning of your ad's journey to reach and resonate with your audience across Facebook. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a Facebook ad video that's not only engaging but also designed to reach and captivate your target audience effectively. Remember, the key to a successful Facebook ad lies in understanding your audience, crafting compelling creative content, and refining your campaign settings for optimal engagement. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch as your brand story unfolds and connects with viewers on one of the most influential social media platforms. Happy advertising!